In this lecture I will show you another analysis of some pairs and give you some tips from my experience. So this is Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. This is 1 hour time frame. We see important level here and another important level here. So it's just for us to know where we should be careful. So minute 30, 15 minutes. Okay, so these are the lower time frames. Now we can look at this level that it's good even on lower time frames, and here we can draw another level. For example, like this. So this is minute 15, 5 minutes, we see new level here, and here, but we should look at the lower time frame. So 1 minute time frame, we see this level. Okay, so if you look, this level start here, so it's older level, and now what we can await on 1 minute time frame, we can await that the price can go. If you look at this, it looks like small downtrend, so like this. So we can await that this will go somewhere from here down, and I think there could be some manipulation, so some pin bar maybe, we will see. And it's just probability, it can go also this way, but now this is probability, and I'm showing you this so you can train your eyes while analyzing, not for some financial advice or something like that, just to train your eyes and improve your analysis. And this is what we want. Then it can go lower, retest and continue at least to this important level. So as you can see, this is what we can await, and then it can react, and we will see how much it will react. And if it goes to the upside here, we need to be careful. Again, this is important level, so we need, if we want to sell here, we want something like this. So nice rejection of this level, and that's all for this pair. We can scalp. Sorry, I'm so like this. And that's it for the spare. Let's move to another. This is GBP Swiss franc. As you can see, I will draw it like this. This is important level, and also this from the other side. I draw it like this because this is very big move here, also here, and also this move is big. So this is not just resistance or support, but it's also a supply and demand zone. So we need to be very careful when the price will touch these zones. As you can see here, it went immediately to the upside. And so let's move to lower time frames. We saw nice level here, and fake breakout to the zone, and then return and continuation. So this zone, this support is still good. This was just fake breakout to manipulate the retail traders. And on lower time frames we saw, as you can see, here was something like trend line. And so if you look at this like that this is broken trend line, we can await that something will happen here and it can go lower, for example to this support. So that's what we can await. On 5 minutes we see big moves even on this time frame. So as you can see, we can move this level here. Okay, so this is the last or the highest resistance line, and if we await something like this again, but from the other side, for example here, then it would be something like this here and back. And maybe because we are in the zone, it can be very strong move, but we are not here to predict the market. We just want to trade what we see. So here, if we want to trade this, we need to wait for some sign of rejection or fake breakout. It's very probable that it will happen like this. And as you can see, it's not 100% accurate, but if we do it according to a line chart and then goes back, we can see that there was fake breakout, but you can also trade after retest, and you see this perfect retest here. And I will switch to lower time frame. So as you can see, here was small pin bar and doji, and then as you can see, I will show you something. So we are here, and this candlestick was closed here, and this candlestick was closed on this line, so it's the same line. And now this candlestick is this big, so as you can see it's bigger than all these previous candlesticks, so it's nice engulfing candlestick. So this is very nice sign of buyers and their strength. So this is beautiful signal on 1 minute time frame after retest of that frame breakout to enter, and you see what happened next. Beautiful. So it was just small tip. So that's it, and see you in the next lecture.